their police reports still go against.
Tulugaq Law describes itself as Nunavut's only active Inuit-owned law firm. Curtis Mesha started the firm in January.
I think it's like the future of law in Nunavut in some ways.
Mesha has brought on 2 law students to help out, Hope Carpenter and Caitlin Adams. From a very young age, Adams knew she was destined to be working in the courts.
Even my Barbies were lawyers, and they drove fancy cars. I set up a whole thing.
She wants to help uplift people and be a warm, familiar face in a foreign system.
Sometimes the justice system scares me too. And it does feel like it can be a cold place.
Hope Carpenter doesn't see many Inuit in the legal profession. That leads to a lack of empathy and understanding of the realities in the North.
How can that be justice for the people here to have outsiders come in and dictate what's right and wrong and what's reasonable or not reasonable when these concepts of right and reasonability, they really depend on the context in which you're operating.
Part of the problem, she says, is the fact there's no permanent law school in Inuit-Nunavut.
I think the problem is really just the distance that people need to travel right now in order to attend law school.
By training more Inuk lawyers, Curtis Mesha hopes to make the justice system more accessible and fairer.
I definitely see a lot of it as just making sure people understand everything that's going on.
And in the coming years, he hopes to have practices in every region of Inuit-Nunavut. Samuel Watt, CBC News, Iqaluit.